Our goal on this trip to Canada was to go visit in Rimouski the memorial to the Empress of Ireland. This ship was an ocean liner that sank near the mouth of the St. Lawrence River following a collision in thick fog with a Norwegian collier in the early hours of May 29, 1914. The ship had watertight compartments after the Titanic disaster 2 years earlier and carried more than enough lifeboats for all on board. But she went to the bottom within 14 minutes. Of the 1,477 people on board, 1,012 died, making it the worst peacetime marine disaster in Canadian history.